Hello and welcome to you all in this another tutorial. I know you are so busy at this time, but watch this video whenever you are free. Again, we are giving you the helpful tips for do not versus do it in your exam room. Sometimes we confuse, sometimes we paralyze, sometimes we panic, sometimes we cry in the exam room. So don't worry, we are here to help you. Before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe this channel, like this video and smash the Christmas bell below. Let's start the show. Tips number 1. Use the reading time of your questions paper. Your teachers will distribute the questions paper 10 to 15 minutes before you start writing. Use this time to read all of your question in detail. Check it again and again. Make sure you will make a small mark which question that you are prefer to attempt it. Don't panic at this time. Tips number 2. Write fast. As soon as you will get the answer script paper, don't waste any of your time. Just write it fast as much as you can so that you can finish to write the rest of your question. Tips number 3. Write based on the mark of the question. Sometimes we get 2-mark question, but we take our time to write it longer answer. So write your answer based with the mark of your question. Don't make it too long. Don't make it too short of your answer. Tips number 4. Don't leave a blank answer. The examiner will examine your paper, but if they found in your paper with a blank answer, they know that you are a selfish student. They need your answer, so try to write it as much as you can. Tips number 5. Don't solve extra question. Suppose if you will get like this type of question, write any 3, so write it only 3. Tips number 6. Write neat and clean. This was the most important of all. Write a good handwriting and write it clean. The examiner will fall in love with your paper and they will give you a good mark. I told you it was a good tips for you. Last but not the least, that's all we have the tips for you in this video today. I hope it will help you, guide you from this short video. Make sure you will catch it all. So all the best for your exam. Ngetip kat kiba peja kene ka video bakin tu ya pas baro. Hadu ngini akan du ya pihak ka video kublai shibun.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया।